All right.
Continue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much, everybody, for visiting our YouTube channel or live stream channel today. This is very first video uh, for us to have this kind of live trading session. And my name is Mr. V from Aatinaa, and I have Aatinaa CEO with me, Mr. Yusri. Assalamualaikum, Pak Yusri.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. So what we have today for our halal trading?
Right. I guess the first thing we need to do at Aatinaa, first thing in the morning, is trying to look at what's happening in the global market.
Right.
That means we are looking at, for example, the main indicators that maybe uh, directly related to what the action price is going to happen today, and that is the fix. And before we get into that, if you can see my screen right now, that is the standard display of Aatinaa,
Mm-hmm.
where I have the minute chart over here, and this is the daily chart. So I
Okay.
need to look at both in order to define whether I'm gonna buying into something or not. I need to see the minutes chart telling me the big money movement on that instantaneously,
Mm-hmm.
and on the daily chart it give me the indication of can I make a profit from it or not, do I have room to make a profit or not, where the trend is, and so on and so forth, right?
Okay.
So let's take a look at fix. Since this one, so this one, the major index that we're looking at here is the fix. Like I said, that one is the fear index, CBOE option price.
Okay.
And as you can see, we are gapping down, actually lowering down
Mm-hmm.
from yesterday fix, the fear index, and from 18 to about 16.6 right now. That's significant in terms of fix.
Right.
And
Does
on
that
the
mean that people is more doing trading today or?
yes, it
Okay.
means people are more confident today.
Okay.
They are getting less fear in the market.
Right.
Therefore, you can see most of these indicate stock that we watch right now, they're all green.
Mm-hmm.
It means people are buying.
Okay.
And that's what's happening when it's really opposite toward the fix going with the fix. On the
Okay.
daily chart you can see we are in the much lower portion right now. We are in the 18, and if you recall about a week or two ago, where the red market, the fix are up here about 26 to 29.
Mm-hmm.
So it's better right now. We are in the buying mode. Not we, the market is actually in the buying mode right now.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So that's the thing that we looked up for in the first thing we do in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Look where the fix is going, and if it's going down like this, and if there is some potential for us, we're gonna start taking profit, because when people are buying, that's when we start taking the profit. When people are selling like this one here,
Mm-hmm.
that's when we actually buying a lot more buying opportunity. So we are actually converse to what main public people is. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So next we go to our scan result. That's our home run. That's our double, and that's our single over here. Let's look at one of those. Nvidia, for example. Nvidia, you see a lot of buying over here. That's our indicators indicating that lots of buying happening today with Nvidia, and the
Mm-hmm.
price already up to 700.
Okay.
It looks promising if you only look at the minutes chart like this, but when you look at the daily chart, we are already in up. This is probably high in the last 3 months, about 700. So I'm start getting fear of people taking the profit on this particular stock. So I would not buy it right now. I would buy it until it come down, make a little bit more dip like what we have here, and then start buying them. So I
Mm-hmm.
will pass on Nvidia.
Okay.
Tesla, is another one. Tesla on the weekly chart also the same thing. Give me a minute here. It's doing all right, doing good, in the morning after the big down day yesterday. And then we looked at what's happening on our daily chart. Let me zoom into it. Yeah, on the daily chart, we are still in the correction right now.
Okay.
So I would wait before I get into Tesla as well. So I would not buy these two. Let's
Okay.
see which one I could buy. Let me go down to, let's try this one here. ESTC. ESTC just finished earning yesterday or 2 days ago and already in the high right now. As you can see, that little hill, that high, is about the same with this one over here, the previous high. That could be your resistance line. So I'm not gonna get into this one either. So
Okay.
we really trying to be selective in what we're buying. Something there. PFE is a good one. This is something that I would like to buy.
Why is
Nice
that?
uptrend, nice uptrend like that,
Okay.
and just making reversal over here. So this is what I wanted to buy.
How about
But
how about the volume of it?
the volume,
Uh-huh.
yeah, the volume. Look at this one here. Uh,
Okay.
there's a big volume right there in the morning.
Right.
So big indications, money movement to the PFE this morning, starting this morning.
Okay.
So if you don't have PFE yet, for Aatinaa, we already have PFE in our portfolio. So we're
Okay.
not gonna add into it. We're just gonna wait and make it go up. But if we were not, if we don't have Aatinaa, excuse me, if Aatinaa doesn't have this PFE in our portfolio, we will buy it like this one here.
Okay.
So let me zoom into this one so you can see how it looks like in the real time. Right. So that is our setup over here. Very nice crossing over of our studies over here. Start going up. This we will buy this one.
Okay.
But like I said, we already have this one in our portfolio, so
Uh-huh.
we're not gonna add into it.
Right.
So that's what we do throughout the day.
Okay.
This watch list over here, they are dynamically updated. So
Mm-hmm.
every time new signal coming in that's fit with our parameter, it will be updated and we can continue monitor this one like what we just did minutes ago.
Okay. Is there any particular industry that you are looking at in specifically for
Right,
today's
right, right.
trading?
Yes. If you notice some of my watch list windows over here, I do have sector
Mm-hmm.
display on it, and I sort them by sector actually.
Okay.
And since this one is important, the major index that we have right there. Let's take a look at it one by one. Since I was working in two windows and I got only one screen to display them, change the date. I mean the time frame. All right. So this is the major index on Nasdaq. QQQ. I follow this one a lot.
Okay.
You know, it's up and down, up and down. In last month or so, it was major correction over QQQ.
Mm-hmm.
So I would not buy in this one here. And right now, we seems like to be about to making a little correction on it as well. We just come off of that one. So at this today, for example, I would not buy the technology stock, the Nasdaq stock.
Okay.
Let's look at the SPY. This is S&P 500. Nicely trending up dip. So I'll probably buy something if I have some good indicator. I would concentrate on SPY sector or diamond, the industrial sector, also going up. So what goes to diamond and SPY usually industrial, material, energy, that stuff. We can buy into that one. PFV, there was the healthcare. I think it also goes to SPY as well. So that fit into our strategy. I would
Okay.
buy less information technology right now because the trend I see from the global index.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much for the short update regarding what is Aatinaa focus on today's halal trading.
Right, no
Okay.
problem. I
Okay.
hope it helps,
Okay.
and
Thanks a lot.
we'll pick that up again some other day.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.